Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you 4 awesome applications you can use to become a faster reader. We're talking about speed reading training. There are 2 classes of applications available in the App Store. I'm not saying which one is better, but there are 2 ways to learn speed reading. One way is to actually learn the techniques, train your eyes, improve your focus, avoid distractions, get rid of the bad habits that you have, and then keep track of your progress. That's one way. The other way is just using the apps that show you the text or the books that you have faster, and you choose the speed that you're comfortable with and then slowly move up and improve. So when you're getting started, you probably want to start with something like Accelerate. It's an application that provides you with training on, for example, for your eyes, for your concentration, for your focus, for getting rid of your bad habits. Teaches you to read the right way, not the normal way, which many of us do, and then it sort of slows us down. When you start reading these books about how to read faster, you learn that there are some habits that we all have when we get started reading books that is not exactly the best way to approach it if you want to become a faster reader and read more content and grasp the information. So, for instance, you can use word flashcards, you can use diamond highlighter. I'm just going to show you how it works. You can change the speed. It tells you why you're exercising and doing each of these moves. So you want to read the descriptions and keep up with it. Keep track of your progress. Covers the science of speed reading. You can also test yourself and go from there and keep track of your stats. So that's one of my favorite applications, but we shouldn't really forget about Ace Reader. This one was the first one I think that I used a while ago. It wasn't available for iOS devices. I was using it on my computer. Now it's available on iOS devices, 13 different training programs. You can see the course details, show them that you have to finish up. And as you move up, the course is going to be challenging, obviously, teaching you new techniques, and you get a lot of practice as well. You can change settings, you can change fonts, you can go to the reading mode if you don't want to train and do the reading part. Again, there are options that you can change here as far as the speed goes, font colors. You can customize it to your needs. We go to the very basic, the first one. So once you complete that, you're going to be asked questions, so you can't cheat. So you're reading, even if you're reading faster, but you're not grasping anything, you're not gaining the information. This application is going to figure that out, and you do have the option to, for instance, see what is the passing score. So if you're not grasping 75% of what you've read, then you're probably going to be in trouble if you're studying for a test, for instance. Faster Pro is an application that provides you, it's the second class that I was talking about, provides you with training based on your books, your content. You have multiple ways to upload files, book catalog from your computer, Dropbox, Safari, iTunes. Let's say I want to read that one. So it's an ebook reader with fast reading option. I can improve it and you go from there. Can you keep up with this? I can't because my speed is not that high. But this is one of the options that you have for speed reading. Last but not the least is Read Quick is one of my favorite applications for iOS. not because it has a great user interface, and it does, and a ton of features and the ability to grab documents from Instapaper or Pocket. The important part here is, and why I like it, is the browser part, is that I can go to my own site, save one article, let's say the iPhone purses that we covered, and here we go. So you can change the speed, obviously. You can modify text. You can have even your playlist, add multiple articles, and go from there. But the important part is, and why I like it, is it makes it so easy to add new content. And let's say you want to actually practice the speed reading by going through the content from your favorite RSS feeds. We know Google Reader is dead. That's fine. You can use any other ones, News Blur, all that. So you chances are you have a ton of articles that you have to catch up with every day. Why not use them to practice the speed reading? And an application like this helps. You can actually pick and choose the articles that are very interesting, so you have some interest in reading them, not a book that you're forcing yourself to read to become a faster reader and practice this art. So it takes a lot of practice. I'm going to be honest with you. I've been trying to learn speed reading and become faster, and it's been a process. You cannot get over there to a point that you're going to become twice as fast overnight. So it takes time, but these applications help. So to summarize, Accelerate and Ace Reader for training, for techniques, I probably start with Accelerate. Ace Reader has a lot of potential for your own books or just uploading EPUB documents. You can use Faster Pro. I like Read Quick because it has that browser feature, beautiful user interface, and you can use your own content or someone else's content to practice the speed reading. I hope you enjoyed this short video. For more information, please go to iPhones.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please rate and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, guys.